Hello everybody, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making chicken mayo sandwich. For that we need 2 portions of chicken breast. Take off all the extra fats and cut it as shown here. Wash it clean and put it in the water for boiling. Add some salt in it. Once it is boiled, shred it in small pieces. Just like this. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, chopped green chili half a teaspoon. Mix it all. Take 2 slices of bread. Spread sandwich filler on it. Make sure it covers whole slice nicely. On another slice, spread some sweet chili sauce. Take 1 slice of cheese and put it on top of sandwich filler. Grill it on the griller. If you don't have griller, you can still toast it on the pan. Wow, it's all ready. You do try this recipe and write us in comments. And please like and share and subscribe our channel. Yummy in my tummy. I love you, mommy. Thanks for watching.